On this video, I'm going to show you a clip art store that has made already over $40,000 in the last 6 months, right? It's absolutely fantastic. And I'm going to explain to you exactly the reasons why it has done so well to better inform you and to help you maybe to make those sales. So guys, check this out. Okay, I'm on the store right now. And if I go to analyze shop using everbee, remember, use everbee, my go-to research SEO tool. You can check it out. The link is below. Absolutely free to try it out. Now, if I just go to overview of the store, you will see that it tells me here the estimated total revenue is $40,358, right? And as I said, it's only been open for around 6 months. Fantastic. It has 200 listings, but let me explain why it's done so well. Now, remember, 6 months ago, obviously, is probably the time that the seller decided to start selling, which is a very good, strategically good time, because obviously this is a good time to plan and think about selling for Christmas, which is probably one of the biggest times of the year. And you can see, obviously, they have lots of designs that are Christmassy related. In fact, Christmas comes up as probably their most listings, or 55 Christmas related listings. So it definitely makes sense that they've geared up for Christmas 6 months ago. Now, the other thing that I will tell you why it has done so fantastically well is because they understand the power of momentum and variation, and when something Etsy signifies the something that works. Now, one of their fantastic designs or listings is this one. It's the Santa reindeer. It's making approximately $3,000 per month. Now, the reason why it's doing so well is because it's in this kind of really cool, whimsical style, which people really like, that sort of humorous, whimsical design style. It's only 28 PNGs, but it also has the elements of Santa and reindeer. And actually, when you search up Santa and reindeer, if you go to the keywords on the side, say using everbee, you will see that this keyword score is quite good, something that people do actually look for and not so saturated, which helps to push it up out there. So when you have a combination of a design style that's working well, trending, and with a low keyword score of something that people are looking for, and on top of that is for something that people are looking for, Christmas related clip arts, and obviously the people that are on the Etsy platform are increasing all the time looking for these specific types of design clip arts, that's where you get the magic. But it doesn't really explain how, the $40,000. Now, what they've managed to understand is that when a style works, and this is what you need to remember when you're designing, when you're selling on Etsy, is that when something works for you, if you have a listing that is being looked at, selling, bookmarked, favorites, and so on, when you see interaction with your listing, then you know that something is working. And this is what you have to understand. This seller understood that the Santa and reindeer is working, so they then created many different listings in a similar fashion, but slightly different. So, for example, you got these Santa clip arts with the snowmen, again, Christmas dog listings, gingerbread listings, Santa with that Christmas feel, Christmas gnomes, whimsical cats, Christmas trees, nutcracker, whimsical snowmen, Christmas bunnies. They literally went all in this similar style, this whimsical, humorous style, but with different elements. And when you have a signal by Etsy that something works, then you have to go all in, and all your other listings have to be variations from it. Now, the simple truth is they may not earn you as much, sometimes they might, but Etsy understands and has the signals, has the reassurance that it works. So if it works for one listing, then it's likely to push up all the other similar listings. So if I go to analyze shop, guys, you will see, looking at the revenue, again, like I said, try out everbee. The link is below, because this is where you can understand, investigate, and find all the real data here, guys. The Santa and reindeer here on the side is making around $3,000. There it is. The next one down is whimsical snowman, similar style, but has the snowman making definitely less, right? 1,460. Cute Santa Claus, 1,200. Christmas dogs, $1,000. Whimsical Christmas clip arts, $900. Whimsical Christmas angels, $700. And this is what I like, because the seller understands momentum. They understand what Etsy's telling them, and Etsy's telling them, keep going, keep selling. Now, there's a lot of these whimsical styles which are very similar but has different elements, and they're all selling, right? They're all selling quite well, and collectively they have done very, very well. So understand this: when you get a sale, right, on Etsy, or actually when you get quite a few sales, a sale means that a stranger has trusted your design, and therefore Etsy trusts your design. So therefore you must duplicate it, but not just duplicate it exactly the same. Use the same principles but on a new listing. And the thing what you have to understand is that buyers like familiarity. So if they do like a design, you'll see that there's a lot of repeat buying for different designs that you're selling. So if you have a certain style like this seller has, they have a very clear, identifiable style, whimsical style of designing, right? That runs quite pretty much in most of their listings, right? So when a buyer buys a design, one of the things that they like is the style of design. So they are likely actually to buy other listings also, which will help those sales and again boost the algorithm and boost understanding to Etsy that, this is something that they definitely like, and they will push it further. Look, at the end of the day, Etsy wants to show more of what converts. I keep saying it. Etsy cares about sales. So if something sells, they want to push it. So if one listing is selling and another one is similar but slightly different, they want to push it because they know there's already proof of selling. So understand this: repetition builds brand memory. Even if buyers don't buy immediately, they're going to recognize your style. And this is why I keep saying, try to run a certain design style through your store. Try not to change it too much, because when customers understand what your design style is, they are likely to come back and buy it, especially if they like it. And the thing about Etsy learns faster when you repeat signals. So if there's a signal and you've shown, that something can sell, it's likely to push it because the AI just believes that this is a converting listing. So something else that is similar is also should be a converting listing. So just please understand that creativity comes after validation. Validation is first. So I just want you to understand the Etsy loop properly. This is the Etsy loop, which is a sale equals trust, and trust equals more impressions on the platform, which again is going to equal more sales, and that would actually equal even more trust, which is a loop. And what variations do when you have slightly different listings of a similar thing, that speeds up the loop, and therefore you get more sales. Anyway, guys, if you do want to sell profitably clip arts on Etsy, do check out my free masterclass below. And if you did like the video, please hit a like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.